In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync files and folders with OneDrive on Windows 11. Let's get started by locating the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. This icon is typically found in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. It resembles a little cloud, making it fairly easy to spot. Once you click on it, you'll open up the OneDrive window. Inside this window, you'll find a variety of options at your disposal. To proceed, we'll now navigate to the settings. Look for the gear icon, which is a standard settings symbol. You can find it in the upper right corner of the OneDrive window. Go ahead and click on that gear icon, which will give you access to a menu of various settings options. When the menu appears, you'll want to select the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a new window that presents several tabs of settings for you to choose from. Our focus today will be on one tab in particular, so let's move forward. Next, locate and click on the Accounts tab. This is the area where you can manage which accounts are connected to your OneDrive. More importantly for our purpose today, this is where you'll choose which files or folders will sync with your account. Click on the Accounts tab to continue. Under this section, you'll see an option labeled Choose Folders. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and click on that. At this point, a list of all the folders currently associated with your OneDrive will appear. This is your moment to decide which folders you'd like to synchronize. Take your time to go through the list carefully, checking off any folders you want to sync. This step is crucial, so ensure that you're selecting all the folders you need. Some people prefer to sync everything, while others might only choose specific folders for particular projects or needs. This flexibility allows you to tailor the synchronization to fit your workflow perfectly. Once you've made your selections, click OK to confirm your choices. And just like that, your chosen folders are now set to sync. This ensures that all your important files are safely backed up and accessible from any device connected to your OneDrive account. It's important to note that syncing will automatically occur whenever you have an internet connection, so you won't have to worry about manually transferring files in the future. Just make sure your device is connected to the internet and let OneDrive handle the rest. Enjoy having your data at your fingertips wherever you go. By following these straightforward steps, you're now set up to make the most of OneDrive's powerful syncing capabilities on your Windows 11 device.